my name is Peter, and I'm from California, but I now live in Taichung, Taiwan, and I go to 6th grade at AST.
We came to Taiwan in September because my husband, Peter's father, is here for a Fulbright Award, and we're here for the school year. But we came to Guangtian Hospital when Peter had an injury at his school. He fell down a flight of stairs outside and crashed into a very pointy sculpture bench, and it looked like he was going to need surgery. So he was brought to the hospital closest to his school, and after spending many hours there, it became apparent that they wanted to wait until later in the week, days later, to give him an MRI, and we weren't comfortable. We were nervous that if he needed surgery, we needed to know immediately how badly the damage was, and we didn't want to wait and damage it further. We went to a second hospital, and the same thing held true there, and we were nervous. A knee supports you for the rest of your life, and through the International Health Service Center, we were able, through Maria, to not only get an MRI scheduled the very next day, but to get a consultation with a very impressive orthopedic surgeon. And we got good news. He did not need to have surgery, and because of his injury and his age, only age 11, the doctor was confident that he wouldn't even need rehabilitation other than normal activities. And it's been months, and already Peter is playing and running and participating fully in his activities, and we're very grateful to the staff here in this hospital.
When we arrived here, I thought it was going to be really hard to speak to the doctors and take a while, but we got our helper Maria to help translate with us, and it was quick, it was efficient, it was fast, it seemed like a productive, yet still healthily safe and slow at the same time.